Hey, what's up guys? Rich here from richaniche.com. Special announcement May 16th. It looks like my wife is going into labor today. Very exciting moment. I know this has nothing to do with my channel, but it's really a momentous moment for me and my partner. You know, we've been together for 11 years. We've been waiting quite some time for this, so it's very exciting. But I just wanted to draw one sort of insight from digital marketing to parenting. And it's not really about the marketing per se, it's just about the career. I struggled in my life to figure out my career. I was going to become a lawyer, and then I did nothing with my life, and I was going to do video, and I did so many mistakes and stuff. But when I was young, my dad was a workaholic, and I don't think that was the healthiest thing for our family. I think that it had a lot of drawbacks. We definitely could afford, normal stuff, and we never really talked about money as a problem. We weren't rich by any means. I can guarantee you that we were not rich. But we could buy, food and a toy and a game here and there. And my dad worked a lot, we traded his time for that money. And I didn't really like that as a kid, I think, and I think young kids, I always like to say that they spell love, T-I-M-E. Time, is the only way we can show our presence and our focus. So when I chose digital marketing and freedom, a lot of that was because of my dad. I didn't want to live the exact same life he does. And what's funny is, like, since I found out my wife is pregnant, I've become a total workaholic. Like, as soon as I knew, I wanted to double down on my efforts, make more money, build more, help more, serve more. I've been really grinding for almost 18 months, in fact. So it's kind of funny, but the fact is, every single time my wife needed me, I was there. Every time she needed a ride, I was there. Every time she needed support, I was there. And same thing for my kid, because I work at home. I never have to leave the home unless I choose to. That's the power of being remote. That's the power of digital marketing. So I want to remind you that this isn't all about money. Yes, we can remove our income ceiling, and that's great too if you have a kid. If you need more money, go take another project on. It's never going to kill you. It just makes you lose a bit of your own personal time. So I think digital marketing is great for a new father or new mother even, because of that flexibility. The money isn't bad at all. So I hope you guys know what you're getting into, and that's, a family-driven lifestyle if you choose it. Digital marketing can go with you wherever you want. So I'm certainly feeling relaxed, feeling confident about the future. My baby's going to be born 2020 May, and it also happens that, this is, the most money I've made at this time. I'm doing the best I've done. It's all coming together nicely. I feel like the universe has my back, but, let's be clear. I was hustling, I was helping, I was serving. It was an intense last 18 months or so, and certainly paying off now, in my opinion, but most of all, just the fact that I can take the next 30 days off if I want without repercussion. We're going to be okay if that's what we do. And so we can really give our young one the best opportunity and the best experience. And even from day one, high presence. And will that last? Will I be a great father? I have no idea yet, but we're going to try and get off on the right foot. And that's all I really have to say about it. It's pretty exciting. What else can I say? Just see what happens. I think it could be the next 16, 48 hours, somewhere in there. But, I know I haven't been posting on YouTube too much as of late, but a lot has been going on. I did a lot of Twitch streams. If you guys haven't watched my Twitch content, there is so much gold in there. Twitch.tv/richaniche. Go back and watch the VODs. There's just as much gold in my Twitch VODs as there are in my YouTube videos. So hope I'm serving you guys well. Hope you're all doing okay. Wish me the best. Drop a comment below if you're excited for baby Rich. Maybe you can guess the sex. We don't know. Is it a boy? Is it a girl? Maybe you can leave some names as well. We haven't fully decided, but thank you for your support, guys. It's been a great year so far. I think we're at about 6,400 Nichians on this channel. Looking forward to many more, and just blessings and good times and safety and health and love and light and surviving the times that we're in. So take care, guys. See you next time.